If you want to learn how to set expiry dates or submission limits for your online forms without wasting time, you're in the right place. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that, using a software that's not only simple, but also offers a free trial exclusively for viewers of this channel. And make sure to stick around because I'll show you how to automate form expiry, even if you've never touched code. Let's get into it. Setting expiry dates or limits for form submissions is essential if you're running limited time offers, registrations, or collecting responses up to a certain number. Most people think this requires a developer. It doesn't. I tested the most popular form builders, and there's one that stood out for being incredibly beginner-friendly and powerful. The software we'll be using today lets you do both. Automatically disable a form after a deadline or once you hit your desired number of submissions. After signing up for your free trial, again, links in the description, create a new form or edit an existing one. Once inside the form editor, head to the Settings tab. Here, you'll find two key features, submission limits and form scheduling. To set a submission limit, simply toggle on Limit Submissions and enter the maximum number of entries you want. For example, if you're accepting only the first 100 signups, just type in 100. Once that limit is hit, the form will automatically close and display your custom message. Something like, "Sorry, this form is no longer accepting responses." Now for expiry dates, still in Settings, look for Schedule Form. Toggle that on, then choose a start and end date for your form availability. You can also set specific times, which is great if you're launching at midnight or ending your campaign on the dot. Want to take it a step further? You can combine both, so your form will close either when the submission limit is reached or when the date hits, whichever comes first. It's one of the easiest ways to stay in control without babysitting your form. The cool part is, this software also lets you customize the message users see once the form closes. So instead of a boring default notice, you can redirect them to another page, offer them a waitlist, or tell them when to check back. Here's the key takeaway. Whether you're running a promo, an event, or any limited campaign, setting expiry dates or submission limits for form submissions saves time, avoids overbooking, and keeps your process stress-free. Quick recap. Go to Settings. Set your submission limit, schedule your form dates, and customize your post-expiry message. Combine both features for total control. And don't forget, the software we used offers a free trial exclusively for Dan Thorne's viewers. Grab that in the description if you want to follow along step by step and try it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Now go automate your form limits like a pro.